Hello traders, this is Kofi, your admin for Leading Forex. I actually decided to record this video just to encourage you, not really for the purpose of maybe bragging, okay, but to encourage you and to tell you that there's hope. This Forex thing you're trying to learn and you're trying to know, there is hope, okay. This account is one of my oldest accounts. It's a real life account. It's one of my oldest accounts. You can see XNES Real 2. And I have a lot of XNES accounts. I have about 4 accounts with XNES. And then some other brokers, I have accounts with them. But this one, I have left it for some time now with no money in it. But as traders, we all know that when the year is coming to an end, most of the bigger traders, the investors, they begin to close their positions, okay, because these long-term investors, they enter into the market during the beginning of the year, and then when the year is coming to an end like this, today being 18th November 2022, they begin to close their positions for the year. So this time round, it's good to scalp. If you are a scalper, that will be the best way to go. You must not be always one way kind of trader. You need to be versatile or dynamic so that you can switch in between time when you see certain market conditions. So I decided to just use my strategy that I've been using to trade. I decided to flip it and then use it as a scalping strategy to see. And when we say scalping strategy, it means it's a strategy that you look for smaller pips as profit. 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, 25 pips, maximum 35 pips or 30 pips. Okay, that is for me how I would define scalping. So I decided to use my trading strategy, which I've been using for long-term trading, for scalping. And so on 15th November, I decided to deposit $10 into this very account. $10 into this very account, so that I scalp with the same strategy I've been using to trade to see the outcome. So I want to show you the results, or what has been the outcome for trading for just 4 days as a scalper with just $10. A lot of us do complain that we do not have big money to trade with, and so that is the challenge we have, or the difficulty we have. You are thinking you need to get big money before you can trade. It is good when you have big money, but in case you do not have big money, it's also good to trade with the small money you have. But the challenge a lot of people face is that they try to trade long-term strategies with small monies, and they end up losing those small monies they have. I don't know if you understand the logic here. You have small money, but you want to use that small money to make big money, or to say it in a different language, it's like you are using a strategy that is a long-term strategy to trade a smaller account, and sometimes it is very difficult for you to make profits from such strategies with smaller accounts. So I decided to just tweak my strategy from long-term trading style to scalping style. So what is the outcome? Let's all see. So I will take you to the history session, and then I will go to custom period, and then we will go to 15th November. That was the day I deposited. Today is 18th, so 15th November, I'm sure you can all know it's exactly 4 days today. So 15th November, and then from 15th November to 15th November, let's all see it. So this is it. So on 15th November, as you can see, I deposited how much? That is $10.03. $10.03. XNES as a broker allows you to deposit the minimum of $10. So if you have $10, you can put into your accounts. That is why I often tell people to use XNES if you have small money. If you want the link to XNES, my referral link, you can find it at the description of this video. So when you go to the description of this video, you can see my referral link. I think broker 1. You click on broker 1, that is XNES. and then broker 2 is DERIV. They all allow you to deposit $10. So DERIV also gives you that room to deposit $10. So this one is Xness, all right? So I deposited, as you can all see, I deposited 10.03 into the account on the 15th. And then on that very 15th, I was able to make a profit of 0.88, which is not even up to $1. That is funny, right? Yeah, but that is it. On that day, if you look at it, you see that I only made a profit of 0.88 cents, which is not even up to $1. And this were the trades I took, 2 trades, this and this. So they gave me the 0.88. So in total, the balance was 10.91. So let's see the next day, which was 16th November, what happened. Is that okay? So let's see what happened on 16th November. So we go back to custom period. We go to 16th November. And then 16th, from 16th to 16th. So 16th November is loading. Yes, here we are. On 16th November, the magic started coming. On 16th November, as you can see, I made a profit of $18. $18, as you can see. $18. So $18.13 from the $10. And then out of this profit, I did a withdrawal. So if you look at it, you see withdrawal. Withdrawal is the next one here. I did a withdrawal of $13.01. So it means I withdrew back the capital I invested. So I withdrew 13.01 from the account because I made a profit of $18.13. So 13 from the $18 profit is left with $5. So that is the rest of the profit is what you are seeing here. That is the $5. So that is the rest of the profit. Good. Now let's go to the next day. So from 16th, let's go to 17th. So on 17th of November, which is yesterday, let's see what I made. On 16th, I made $18. Let's see on the 17th. On the 17th, as you can all see, on 17th, I wasn't able to make much, but I made something nice. As you can see, I made a profit of $11. As you can see, that was on the 17th, $11.78. And then on that same day, my Xness broker gave me a commission. So you see deposit. They gave me a commission of $3.33. And this commission is coming from people who subscribed or sign up with Xness using my referral link. So I was given a bonus of $3.33 from Xness. So that is why you see deposit there. So the deposit is actually a commission that I got from Xness as a result of referrals. Okay. So after, if you add the commission, which is 3.33 to the 11.78, you will see that I made almost closely to $15. So I withdrew $12. So you see withdrawal $12 over here. So I withdrew $12 from the account. That was on Thursday. $12 withdrawn, sorry, $12 withdrawn from the account. So the balance on that day is also left with profit balance is 3.11, because 11.78 plus 3.33 should give you about 15. So taking 12 out, you should be left with 3.11. So that is the balance of profits left. And then today, which is 18th, let's go and see what we got today. So today, which is 18th November, which is Friday, the market is closing soon. Today, 18th, this is today. And today, we can all see what I got. So this is today. So today, I made a profit of what? $7.31. And then I made a withdrawal of 5.40. And so today's balance of profit is left with 1.91. One would say these are just small profits. Okay, they are small profit, but if we accumulate the total profit from 15th to 18th, let's do that so that you can see what we actually made. From 15th, this is 15th to today 18th. Let's see in total what I made from $10 account. So in total, now you see the deposit amount being 13.36, and I'm sure you understand why it is 13.36, because I deposited $10 and then I was given a commission of 3.33 commission dollars as commission. So if you add that commission to the deposit, that is how come the deposit is now 13.36. So from 15th of November to today 18th, I made a total profit of $38 from $10 account, a profit of $38.10. And then I withdrew how much? A withdrawal of $30 have been withdrawn. So now what is my account balance? My account balance, because if you add the 13.36, which is the deposit plus the profit, you will know how much in total I have. And then I have withdrawn $30.41. So I'm left with a balance of what? $21.05 in my account as we speak. Now, the market is not yet closed. Today is Friday, and we are left with about 3 hours for the market to close. So if I go to the chart now, you can see I still have some 2 trades on. You can see the balance left there. The balance is 21.05. And I have USD card sell. You can see the lot size that I'm using. Now, if you come to the chart, you can see the trade that I have entered. So this is the trade that I have entered. And this is not the strategy, okay? This is not the strategy here, okay? This is just to help me. What you are seeing below here is just to help me in terms of taking my profit, okay? I use this setup here for taking profit. If you have a strategy, the strategy should also have the level at which you should take your profit, okay? So the scalping strategy, this is the one that I use to take profit, but I don't use this for entry, okay? So this is it. I just want you to see I have even 2 trades running right now. If I decide to close them, as you can see, if I choose to close them, I would still close them in some small profit, but I want to wait for 1 more hour before I close, because I'm trading this on 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame. So in a nutshell, you can see that within 4 days, my $10 account, within 4 days, my $10 account has given me how much? It has given me $38. This is huge if you look at how much I deposited and how much I have made as profit. This is $10 account. So it doesn't matter how much you have in your account. If you have a strategy with proper risk management, you should be able to make something out of it as profit. People have $50, $100 and they blow it within some few days. But this is $10 account, and within 4 days, I have made a profit of $38. And I still have a balance of $21 in the account, whilst I have taken out $30. This is a live account, and if it wasn't a live account, like, I cannot make withdrawal, but you can see I have made withdrawal. You can see it. Even today's withdrawal is there. You can see it. So that should tell you that you can be able to turn any little money into something within the shortest possible time. This is just to encourage you as traders to know that there is no small money anywhere. You can turn every small money into something big. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Let's get talking, and let's keep encouraging ourselves and believing that we can do it in this forex market. Thank you for